Hello everyone, and welcome to our update on February 26th, 2024. So starting off with our UKV forecast, we can see it today was a day of sunshine and clouds, though it was rather windy, especially in the south and in the east. Tonight though, we will see high clouds thickening from the west, and into the early morning we will see some rain moving in, especially over the west and into the northern half of the country. Tomorrow Tuesday, this rain will become patchy and lighter and spread southeastwards, clearing the southeast by lunchtime to leave a day of sunshine and some clouds. Tomorrow should be quite a nice day. Into Wednesday morning though, next area of rain comes in from the west. UKV and other runs have now brought this rain forward, so by Wednesday at dawn, basically all areas are wet already. Warm front clears through by late morning. So we see a brief dry slot around lunchtime and into the early afternoon, but into the middle and latter part of the afternoon we see rain coming in, especially into the west and northwest, and into the northern half as well. Wednesday night to Thursday, a cold front comes through, bringing an active area of rain. Thursday is a day of sunshine and showers, some wintry over high ground. Same with Friday. Could be an area of more organised showers of sleet or snow in Ulster, but rain elsewhere. Thursday night and Friday morning. Friday is again showers and sunshine, some wintry, and same for Saturday. Quite cold as well. So a temperature forecast from UKV. Looking at this. So you can see it's tonight will start off cold in the east first of all, getting close to freezing there, but by 7 a.m. lowest temperatures of 5 to 8. Briefly very mild in a warm sector tomorrow itself. Highs temporarily getting to 10 or 11 degrees quite widely before dropping away slightly from northwest in the afternoon. Tomorrow night, Tuesday night, we'll see lowest temperatures of 4 to 10 degrees, mildest in the west, and the milder on Wednesday will spread eastward, so that Wednesday will be a very, very mild day with highs of 10 to 12. Now, on Thursday morning, we see a cold start today after a cold front, lows of 4 to 5 degrees. By 3 p.m. Thursday, actually temperatures of around 5 to 7. So Thursday will be chilly. Into Friday morning, lowest temperatures of around freezing to plus 3 degrees. Least cold in Munster. And Friday itself is a cold day with highs of 4 to 6 degrees. In Saturday, quite a chilly start, followed by highs of 5 to 8. Our next observing forecasters is currently positive at that +1. You'll briefly bump to be a bit more positive by month's end before collapsing, as we know, into early March. So here's how GFS12 says. Again, today was quite a nice day from that ridge. Tomorrow, though, the low pressure will start getting a bit closer, so we will see an area of light rain in the morning, then into tomorrow evening, into Wednesday especially. This next low comes in, bringing rain on Wednesday. Behind that on Thursday and Friday, it was showery, and again, that low just sticks over us over the weekend, so cold and showery from Thursday onwards. And really, low pressure just really mills around into early March, and what happens here? We end up with a high over Scandinavia. We do get an easterly wind. Well, that's more of a southeasterly wind, so that's very mild. And either way, there was no cold air to our east. So it looked very, very mild here. A bit drier into the second week of March. Let's see. But generally, actually looking a bit drier here and milder. So GFS12 says going a bit spring-like here. So the ECM, again tomorrow, bringing that area of rain through. Not too much, but on Wednesday, we do see this quite potent low coming through, bringing some heavier rain, especially later on. And into Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it's basically a story of cold weather, sunshine and showers, some wintry. By next week, though, we do see more of a flow from the mid-Atlantic, so it goes a bit milder, but stays very unsettled, with deep lows to our west, churning in areas of rain. But by the very end of the run, we start to see more of a southerly towards the wind, so getting milder then by Thursday, March 7th, but still staying very, very wet. Here it is the GEM. GEM again tomorrow, bringing that area of rain eastwards. Nothing too much at all. Into Wednesday even, we see this next low deepening to our west, bringing a widely wet day on Wednesday, especially early on in some areas, and also later on. Briefly drier at around lunchtime. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, as I said, will be dominated by low pressure to our north, steering in a cold wind flow from the northwest, bringing in showers and wintry. GEM just parks low pressure right over us, even into next week, though it does shift more to our west to allow a milder flow from the southwest. Here it is the UK Met Run. UK Met Run is again very similarly after today's dry day. Tomorrow we will see the west is breaking back through, basically seeing more rain tomorrow. But as I said, tomorrow should be pretty decent in the afternoon. But Wednesday we have low pressure fully in charge, bringing a wet and breezy day widely. Thursday we see cold and showery winds in the west. Then on Friday the winds go more northwesterly and the low starts to move in. And through the weekend, winds actually go northerly. So, cold and showery weekend, as we know, into early March. And that low just sticks over us or to our south, so staying quite cold and showery. So here is the icon. The icon is going for, again, tomorrow we'll start to see a more changeable flavour of the weather. Before into Wednesday and Thursday, this naturally comes through. Bring on Wednesday rain, wind, but Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, 4 days of showers and sunshine. Classic spring-like sort of showery day, but very cold as well. I say spring-like because of convection. In the winter, there is not much convection inland, but this weekend there'll be a lot of it. And back to the arpeggio now. So arpeggio tomorrow brings that weak cold front through, but Wednesday sees the real deal as the low deepens to our north, and in comes the strong westerly winds and areas of rain. But by Thursday, Friday and Saturday, you can see a trough of low to our north, and around that, winds coming in from northwest. So everyone, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.